Have you ever went to the kitchen just to look around? Not even hungry, just bored. Open the fridge, stare, close it, open it again like new food gonna magically appear. And nothing in there but juice, leftovers you don't want, and a sauce pack from last week. Now you standing there like the fridge has personally disappointed you, so you close it slowly and go right back in 10 minutes just in case something changed or you overlooked something. It's time for you to go grocery shopping. It has been fun talking to you all. I'm about to go to bed and get my beauty sleep. See you later. Have a nice night. I'm Baby Boss Diane.